Yeah, you don't want to slide off.
So being on video is like old hat for you, huh?
Yeah.
Am I gonna have to pay you SAG wages?
Right.
Okay, any new problems?
No. Say, why is, when I was looking at my feet, what are these? Why are these so prominent on this foot but not on the other? What is that?
These are just normal veins.
Oh, I see.
And over here where it looks a little purple, those are what we call spider veins.
Oh, yeah.
And they're just real close to the skin.
Oh.
So they'll
Yeah,
look kind of
I just noticed
purple.
those white things were, see, you can hardly see them there, but
Right.
boy.
Right.
Is that an artery or just a vein?
That's a vein.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Those white things, just a vein?
Yep, so the veins carry the blood back up to your heart.
And it was,
Okay, so last time you were here,
Yeah.
you were submitting a bunch of stuff to the state fair and you made buckwheat honey crackers.
Yeah, right, and they did win first place. Yeah,
They did.
Yeah, and so then I demonstrated them with Belinda on Channel 11 then, yeah, from the fair, yeah. And they were really good, they were healthy because you had to use buckwheat honey, and they didn't say they had to be healthy, but I am all about health these days. So one time I had made some rolled oat crackers, but it had no honey, of course. And so then I thought, hey, I'll make a whole wheat cracker. So I put in 2 cups of whole wheat, think a little salt and a little baking powder, and then I put in, I cut in butter, and then I put in a half a cup of that buckwheat honey. And then I stirred it, but then I took my hand and made a dough. And so then I rolled it out real thin, and then I cut little things, little crackers, round little crackers, and then I pricked them all over. It looked just like the kind that you buy, you know, like those wrists. And I had a little gadget that made them all, a lot of holes at one time. And so, yeah, so they decided
So they took first place in that contest. Wow.
And they were good tasting. I did enjoy them, you know, the samples I had. Yeah, they were good, yeah.
So you're gonna do a new buckwheat honey cookbook?
No. No, I don't think so. The recipe for it is always, whenever I demonstrate on Channel 11, they want the recipe. So anybody who wants it, ouch, where the recipe's there, yeah. If it means more to you that you put my name, that's okay.
No, it's fine.
Oh, okay.
That's fine. Because people watching this are really more interested in what it looks like trimming your toenails.
Yeah.
And one thing that we haven't really done is thinned out these big toenails, and we're going to do that for you better today than we've been able to do in the past.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Now, do these hurt when you put them in shoes when they get this thick? These big toenails?
No, no. I don't feel my feet at all. I mean, they, feel just normal,
Okay.
And the reason I had to do it because all at once I had these black nails, and kids said, "Oh, that looks just terrible," And so then I came over. I don't know. That was a couple of years ago or whenever
I think it was more than that even.
Yeah, and they were just black. Both of them were black. Yeah.
So this is. I don't think we've used this on your nails yet. This is a high-speed drill, kind of like the dentist uses.
Does it hurt?
No, you'll feel some vibration.
Oh, I see.
But it won't hurt. Okay, so we'll be able to smooth everything out.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Now when it comes to these big toes, we'll be able to thin them way out for you.
Oh yeah, because they're thick. I think they're big.
I guess I say we like the royal we.
The what?
I said, I guess I say we, kind of like the royal we. Because we're not smoothing them out, I'm smoothing them out.
I remember, you can't cut, he had them, you know, and he came over once, and you can't cut them with,
wait,
so he went and bought one of those
no,
things.
I didn't, start over, I didn't hear that, what?
Huh?
I didn't hear what you were saying.
I said, you know, Lee came over too, and I don't think he had told but his toes somehow they were, and he couldn't cut him with a scissor because they were just too strong. So then he said, can I buy one of those? So he bought whatever you used, yeah. So
okay,
then
yeah.
he was able to cut his own fingernails, yeah.
Good, yeah. So a lot of people like that kind of nail cutter better.
Yeah. That's been 4 years or 4.5 perhaps, because it was June 12th, 2013, yeah, in the winter, November, yeah. Yeah, August, September, October, yeah. I guess in January then I'll be, How was your daughter?
She's doing great.
What is she? She's still in school or she graduated?
Yeah, no, she's in her second year at college.
Oh, And what does she plan to do when she graduates?
Probably grad school.
Oh, that's always good, yeah.
Yeah, she's in the sciences.
Sciences?
And with a degree in environmental studies, there's not a whole lot you can do.
Ooh, I bet she hates what Trump is doing. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That country's not going to be as good. Oh Lordy, I hope they get rid of him.
I have to stay somewhat apolitical if I'm going on YouTube. You can say whatever you want.
I don't dare say it. You know, I go to the website and there's a lot. And I listen to them all. They want you to donate money, but I don't because
I'm sorry.
Because one thing is I gave some money to cancer or something, and also because I am a celebrity. I like they say, do you want to put it on Facebook? I know I don't because you got to stay
apolitical.
You can tell your friends how you feel, but you can't. Broadcast it because all the other people who didn't like it, I mean, you can't, there are some that like them, and I guess 32% like them, so.
You're cracking me up.
But I'm not one of the 32%. Like the kids said, no, you can't tell other people how you feel about Trump. You can't. Because I think once when I was 107, it was a fate fair, and they said something, and I said something. Oh my gosh!
On the radio?
Yeah, this was like a couple. Well, whenever I suppose 2016. Maybe I said I hope he didn't get in or something. Yeah. But when you're in the eye, you gotta not.
Right.
Like I never knew whether Regis was Republican or Democrat. You gotta stay so people don't know. You can tell your friends and everything, but. Back before there was Trump, like half the people were already Republicans and half were Democrats probably back then. And so you would annoy half your audience. So yeah, so you can...
And you don't want to lose half your audience.
No.
Because they disagree with you.
Oh, yeah, that I can vent to my children and to...
Hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like pimple popping and you've always wanted to do your own pimple popping, we've got just what you need. Super Pimple Popping Kit. Has everything you need to get the job done right. The instructions for getting your own Super Pimple Popping Kit are in the video description box below. Thanks again for watching.